What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Nick, and in this video we're going to be installing a new taillight on the truck, specifically an 04 F150. This will work for any truck that is an 04 to an 08 F150. It's super simple. This really should take 5 to 10 minutes. You need literally one tool and your replacement parts, and you're good to go. So I'm replacing my right rear taillight. As you can see, it's got a big crack and a hole in it. I recently went to the dump to just drop off some junk that I had, and while unloading a big piece of furniture, it fell and hit the taillight, which is no big deal because the taillight's not that expensive. It would have been a lot worse if it actually hit the truck itself and scratched or dented the paint. So thankfully, it just hit the taillight, and like I said, super easy fix, only should take a couple minutes. So let's get into it. Inside, super straightforward. It's literally just like the housing for the light itself. All right, so I got my 8mm, and we're just going to pop these two bolts out. Whew. So as you saw, that took a little bit of prying because you have to pop these pins out, and there's more in the back too. That's what holds it in. Kind of just have to wiggle it so you can get all those pins out. But now you just take the bulbs out, and then you're good to put the new one in. To get these out, it's pretty simple. You just twist them, and then they come out just like that. So there's the top one, bottom one, and these actually look like they're aftermarket. These are my reverse lights, LEDs. I have noticed them, but I've never seen the actual bulb. They are super bright, which I like. At night, it makes it really easy to back up because there's a lot of light. So the replacement is super easy. You just have to be careful of these pins. They're plastic and they will break off super easily if they don't go in right. So just be careful of that. You don't want to break those off. Just remove the packaging. It's also going to be these weird plastic covers on the other pins. These ones you don't have to worry about as much because they're metal, so they're not going to break. It's just, like I said, those plastic ones are pretty fragile. I broke them on the old one taken off, which doesn't matter because it's already broken, but I definitely don't want to break it on the new one. Just put the lights in and twist them. Should line up pretty easily. Oh. Maybe not that easy. There we go. The top one. And this is the same process if you were changing just the bulbs. You still have to do this, and then once you take these bulbs out, change them from there. But today I'm just doing the light. Oh, there's that broken piece. That's what broke off the old one. It was stuck in there. So just line it up on the outside and the top, and just it should click in like that and stay by itself, no problem. So the light is in, and now we just have to put in 2 screws. Grab your 8mm again. So that's it. It's as simple as that. 2 screws, undo the bulbs, pops right out, no problem. It took me about 5 minutes. So this should be simple for anyone. You really just need to have that 8mm. And like I said, this works for if you want to replace the taillights with the same ones, or upgrade your taillights, or if you want to change the bulbs in your taillights. It's all the same process. So for me, I was replacing it because of the crack, and now we got that nice fresh taillight in there. So that's going to do it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, leave them down below. Please like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.